In this video, we're going to take you through installing the bass control knob in the cup holder of your Toyota Tundra. Here are a list of the tools you'll need to get the job done. Using the Allen wrench, remove the 2 screws and then remove the cover from the bass knob like you see here in the video. Next, take your needle nose pliers and you're going to bend the cover back just a little bit to give you some access to remove the bass control knob. Using a pair of dies or small wire cutters, carefully pry away the bass knob away, or the bass control knob away from the control unit. Alright, so next bend the cover away to give you access to the nuts holding the bass control module in place. Using the needle nose pliers, remove the nuts and then remove the bass control module from the housing. Be sure to leave at least one of the washers on the bass control module. Next, mark the center spot and then drill out the hole for your bass control module. Be sure to remove the loose pieces of plastic using your fingernail or a razor. In this next step, you'll be screwing the bass control module into the plastic housing of your center console. Screw the module into place until you get a good tight fit. Don't over tighten or strip out the plastic. Be sure to take your time and ensure the bass control module is as straight as possible. Be sure to keep checking the back side and watch when the bass control module comes in contact with the back side of the plastic on your console. Make sure you've got a good, nice, tight fit. In this next step, you'll turn the bass knob clockwise until it stops. Then line up the white dot towards the rear of the vehicle. Insert the bass knob back onto the control module, but carefully hold the bass control module on the back of the unit while pushing the bass knob into place. Twist the knob, make sure it's operating properly, and you've completed the bass knob installation. Be sure to subscribe here on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.